Female plants not only don't shed pollen, but they trap pollen, so less reaches your nose. If your hay fever is keeping you from enjoying your garden, you may want to rethink what you planted. Any plant that produces pollen, like trees, shrubs, grass, or flowers, has the potential to give you itchy, watery eyes, a drippy nose, and sneezing fits. But before you start contemplating AstroTurf, some plants are less likely to send your nose into a tizzy. These include florist-style hybrid tea roses, old-fashioned pom-pom hydrangeas, hollyhocks, sedum, and irises. Avoid heavily perfumed plants and male trees and shrubs. Your local nursery can help you choose. Female plants not only don't shed pollen, but they trap pollen, so less reaches your nose. There are also some allergy-free Bermuda grasses. Windborne pollen is still a problem when you work in the garden. Try wearing a filtering mask, sunglasses, gloves, and a hat to keep pollen out of your eyes and nose. When you come in from gardening, always shower to eliminate pollen from your hair and skin. Throw your clothes straight into the laundry, and take non-sedating antihistamines faithfully.